Today, we are taking you on a tour of those places in the world that are mind-blowing to look at. And scientists also become silent. These are the places that have been a challenge for humans for centuries, where neither the laws of physics work, nor does any recognition of time remain. People go to some places, but do not return. So get ready for a journey where every step will open the door to wonder, and every scene will shake your heart. Friends, first of all, let's talk about a strange cave near Russia, which appears to be a world of dreams. But the hidden truth in it also amazes scientists. We are talking about the ice cave located in Kamchatka, a place where the earth, sky, light, and ice together create a scene that the human eye has never seen before. This cave is actually under a glacier, and when the light of the sun enters through the fine holes of the ice, the whole cave shines with blue, green, and white colors. The one who goes inside feels like he is on another planet. Every wall, every roof, every corner shines as if this cave is not made of snow, but of blue rubies. But this beauty is so beautiful that there is such a big danger hidden in it. This cave is located very close to an active glacial area, which means that at any time, the heat underground can melt it and turn it into a dangerous accident. The combination of the heat inside and the cold outside sometimes causes such fevers that it becomes difficult for a person to breathe. This is why this place has been a secret until now. Friends, now let's talk about the forest of Japan, which is called the Forest of Suicides all over the world. We are talking about Aokigahara, which has become another name for psychotic silence. This forest is located on the banks of Mount Fuji in Japan. And every year, thousands of people choose not only to see it, but also to end their lives. The trees here are so dense and silent that you can't even hear the rustling of the wind. Birds do not chirp, and GPS signals often stop. Even if you scream, the voice is lost in the forest. People believe that there is an incomprehensible phenomenon here that affects the human mind. It makes him sad and then leads him to death. The government has put up boards here which say that your life is precious. Think about it again. But unfortunately, most of these boards are now empty. And the shadows of ropes and empty tents tied to the trees tell us who came here and why he could not go back. This is not just a jungle, it is a graveyard of human emotions, mental pressure, and spiritual confusions. Viewers, now let's talk about such a lake, which is that species of nature that people are deceived at first sight. We're talking about Lake Retba, located in Senegal, Africa. A lake whose water is completely pink. It is so deep pink that it looks like someone has opened thousands of liters of sherbet. This lake is one of the few unique lakes in the world whose color is naturally pink. Its water is not only pink, but also extremely salty. So much so that a person can swim in it comfortably, just like in Berea Murtar. But the question is, why is the color of this lake pink? Scientists say that this lake has a special kind of chlorophyll. And when the sun's light falls on the water, this chlorophyll releases a red chemical, which gives the whole water a pink or pink color. Especially in the summer and in the afternoon, the color of this lake shines so much that the eyes cannot believe it. But the real surprise is that the locals here take out hundreds of tons of salt every day, covering their body with a special oil like butter so that they can be safe from the acidity of salt. Many people believe that the water of this lake also has spiritual effects, and whoever bathes here, his soul is healed. Therefore, Lake Retba is not just a lake, it is a magic. It is a secret and colorful writing of nature that not only the eyes, but also the heart need to read. Dear friends, now let's talk about a cave that actually looks like a scene from a magical film. A place where the walls shine, stars fall from the roof, and a person feels as if he is standing in the sky, not on the ground. We are talking about New Zealand's famous Glowworm Cave, which is considered one of the brightest, most beautiful, and most vibrant caves in the world. This cave is not as dark as other caves. In fact, thousands of small insects shine on its roof, which spread light like natural fireflies. These insects are called glowworms, and their light makes a beautiful mixture of blue, green, and white colors. As soon as you sit in the boat and travel on the water of this cave, it feels like someone has turned the sky upside down. And now you are sitting down and looking at these stars closely. But these fireflies do not shine just for beauty. In fact, they produce this light to attract the prey. As soon as the small insects come close to the light, the glowworms grab them with their fine silk threads. As if nature has turned the light into a weapon here. And the most surprising thing is that these glowworms can only live in a specific environment. New, dark, and complete silence. If there is a little movement or light interferes, they die. This is why scientists have never been able to fully understand their complete cycle. Friends, at the end of the day, let's talk about the world's most deceitful and persistent natural phenomenon. A scene that is not real but completely deceives the eyes. We are talking about the underwater waterfall, which is located in the Indian Ocean near a small island near Mauritius. This is the place where it feels like water is falling into a deep pit in the sea. Looking at it with a drone camera, it feels like a huge waterfall is flowing down from the ocean floor, a depth that cannot be seen at all. People are shocked, scientists are surprised and refuse to believe their eyes. But the question is it really a waterfall or is it a deception? So friends, the fact is that this waterfall is actually a natural view of sand and silt. When the currents in the sea pull the sand flowing along the shore towards the deep water, it looks like it is flowing down. And this scene looks like a great underwater waterfall. The water is actually not going down, but the sand going down deceives the eyes, as if the whole ocean is falling down. And understanding this scene has also been a big challenge for scientists. And even today, many tourists come back to this place with a mixed feeling of fear and surprise. This is not just an island, it is the most interesting trap played by the eyes of nature. A scene that shows that whatever we see on the surface of the earth is not always true. So dear friends, this was our today's video. And if you liked our video, and if you want to know more about the hidden secrets of the world, and if you want to know about the amazing scenes, then like this video for our encouragement. And tell us in the comments how you liked this video. Inshallah, we will come to you with a new video with a new topic. Until then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.